Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fabric medium at home step by step. First, gather acrylic paint, white glue or textile medium, measuring spoons, jars, and water to thin the mix. Work on a covered surface and wear gloves to avoid stains. I will walk you through correct ratios, mixing tips, testing on swatches, and methods for applying and heat setting your homemade fabric medium for durable results. Begin with clear ratios to keep results consistent and repeatable. Mix 2 parts acrylic paint with 1 part textile medium or white glue, then slowly add water up to 1 part if you need better flow. Stir briskly for at least 60 seconds until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Test on a scrap of fabric to confirm coverage and hand feel. Adjust ratios slightly if the fabric feels stiff or the color is too sheer. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more craft guides and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup during messy projects effortless and a little fun. It picks up stray glitter and lint so you can focus on creativity, not crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Apply your homemade fabric medium mix using a brush, sponge, or screen, depending on the effect you want. Use thin, even layers and allow each layer to dry fully to prevent cracking and uneven texture. After achieving the look you want, heat set the printed or painted area by ironing on the reverse or placing the fabric in a hot dryer for a reliable cure. Always wash a sample to confirm durability before laundering the whole piece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.